Hi everyone, greetings of the day. This is Mamta from RV College of Nursing, Bangalore. Today we are celebrating World Heart Day. Heart is a muscular organ about the size of one's own fist, located in thorax. It performs and serves us from birth to death. It supplies oxygen and nutrition by pumping blood to each and every cell of our body. The heart is the most essential organ. It is like an engine room responsible for pumping life-sustaining blood via 97,000 kilometers long network of vessels. It beats around 1 lakh times a day and it supports throughout our lifetime. On this World Heart Day, let us celebrate the theme, Use Heart to Beat CVD. Heart health is not about short-term fixes, but rather making a long-term lifestyle changes. It is very much necessary to understand what it takes to live a healthy life and to act on it. Change in behavior is much needed for better quality of life now and for future. Treat your heart right, stay young at heart and live a healthy life.
Good morning one and all. World Heart Day is celebrated on 29 September of every year. The theme for this year is Use Heart to Beat Cardiovascular Disease. It is aimed at drawing the people's attention to heart illness and the range of associated health issues. The day is commemorated to promote different preventive steps and changes in lifestyle to avoid any such cardiovascular diseases like heart attack, stroke, heart failure and so many cardiovascular diseases. So these cardiovascular diseases are the number one cause of death in this planet and it takes the lives around 17.9 million people every year. And that are 30% of all global deaths. And it is triggering the death rates due to these cardiovascular diseases with different manifestations. Few to say that primarily as heart attacks, in relevance to tobacco consumption, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity and harmful use of alcohol. These are in turn shows high blood pressure, elevated blood glucose, overweight, obesity and risk of heart attack. Moreover, people with heart disease and its risk factors are more vulnerable to severe forms of COVID-19 and up to 1 in 5 patients are hospitalized by COVID-19 virus infection, and it is evident that there will be involvement of heart muscle injury. In these unprecedented times of COVID-19 pandemic condition, taking care of our hearts is more important than ever. I advised everyone celebrating this day to be more attentive to their heart health. There are several ways one can do that, including doing regular exercises involving in yoga, stop smoking and stop taking alcohol, maintaining good and healthy habits like proper dietary habits can keep away all these cardiovascular diseases. Thank you, one and all.
Namaste. Greetings on the occasion of World Heart Day. Every year on September 29th, the World Heart Federation celebrates World Heart Day. The theme for this year is Use Heart to Reduce Cardiovascular Disease. The world is going through a tough time COVID-19 pandemic has spread everywhere. It has caused immense hardships, both medically as well as economically. During this time, the other problem we see is that the heart diseases are getting neglected. People aren't going to their doctors for their routine evaluations and management. And in addition, even during emergencies, people are getting scared to seek medical help. They delay their treatment, stay home, and there have been complications and even deaths because of this delayed attention which they have sought. During this time, we would like to appeal, the cardiologists would like to appeal that we must use our heart in a way that the cardiovascular diseases are reduced in accordance to the theme given by World Heart Day. What we say is use your compassion and help people around you. If there is an elderly person who is not going to the hospital, arrange a video consult or take that person to the hospital. If there is an emergency in your neighborhood, help them to reach the emergency facility so that their lives can be saved. Similarly, use your heart to instill knowledge around you about heart diseases and help people understand that a healthy diet, exercise, giving up smoking and adopting other healthy habits will go a long way in preventing heart disease. We also have to use our heart, that is, we have to be brave during this situation and tackle the heart disease per se as well as the heart disease that is given to us by COVID. So I wish you all a great day. The World Heart Day should remind us that our heart is with us and we have to take care of it. In addition, we have to use our heart to take care of people around us, our community. Thank you.